BrainyBuyer.com presents another rapid-fire showdown. We crunch the specs, you make the call. Subscribing is the easiest way to keep this channel independent and data-driven. Okay, so we're comparing the Weber Q1000 and the Weber Summit Grill Center. Big price difference right off the bat.
Yeah, huge. The Q1000 is around $229, and the Summit is a whopping $3,600. What are we getting for that extra cash, besides, bragging rights?
Well, size is a major factor. The Q1000 is portable, with a 189 square inch cooking area. The Summit? 769 square inches. It's a full grill center, a whole outdoor kitchen setup. Plus, it weighs almost 200 pounds, compared to the Q1000's 27.5. Not exactly portable.
So, Q1000 is for tailgating, the Summit is for serious backyard chefs. What about the burners?
The Q1000 has one stainless steel burner putting out 8,500 BTU. The Summit has 6 main burners, plus a sear station burner, a smoker burner, and a rear infrared rotisserie burner. It's a BTU beast.
Wow, that's a lot of burners. And a smoker? The Q1000 doesn't have any of that fancy stuff.
Nope. The Q1000 is basic but reliable. Push-button ignition, porcelain enameled cast iron grates. It gets the job done. The Summit, though, has heavy-duty stainless steel grates and flavorizer bars, plus lighted control knobs. Fancy.
Lighted knobs. Okay, that car's pretty cool. Is there anything the Q1000 does better, besides being cheap and light?
Well, it's fully assembled right out of the box, which is a win. The Summit requires assembly, which seems like a pain considering the price. And the Q1000 has tons of positive reviews, like over 4,500 with a 4.7 rating. The Summit only has 30 reviews and a 4-star rating.
Interesting. So, the Q1000 is a proven, simple, and portable grill. The Summit is a massive, feature-rich, and expensive grill center. It really just depends on your needs and budget, I guess.
Exactly. If you just want to grill some burgers on the go, the Q1000 is perfect. But if you're planning on hosting huge barbecues and want all the bells and whistles, and you have the space and the money, the Summit is the way to go. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.